everyone, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a fun Christmas Embellie project share. I hope that this is one of many of embellishment shares that I'd like to do over the next couple of months, but let me just get started with this. And this is the die that I used. I did use another butterfly die as well, and I'll show you that in a minute, but this was 1000% enabled by Tony, who's Craft Perch here on YouTube and Instagram. Thanks, Tony, for always being my biggest enabler. And she had created some Halloween butterflies, and I just could not stop thinking about them. So I actually have a weakness to butterflies. I don't know, I love all butterflies. So I created these pastel Christmassy inspired butterflies, and Tony had used faux leather in her butterflies. I used it only on this one because I just had an extra piece, but I did use felt. And these are felts from Target craft section, and I just picked out the pastel colors just because that's what I will be creating this Christmas. And I just layered up the large butterfly and the smaller one right on top of each other, but sandwiched it in between this Dollar Tree tulle that has like this snowy texture to it. And I thought it gave it that little extra, I don't know, wintry vibe. And I know that Tony had done that with her butterflies as well. And then I just embellished the middle. I just laid down this fun little stamens. I did use a couple of different stamens. This one is more of a frosty tip. And I kind of love how they came out. This one I just layered a snowflake on snowflake. And this is a resin snowflake from Target. This little felt snowflake I picked up off Allie, and I'll leave a link down below if you're interested. I think that they came out so cute. I just played around with different colors, and yeah, this one I used the faux leather from Hobby Lobby. I didn't really like this one only because it's so soft and just kind of flat. The way that the felt, it does lift up a little bit, which I do like much better. I want the wings to be a little flappy. But the one thing that I did like is this poinsettia that it's a resin piece I think I picked from Hobby Lobby. And the Minte papers do have a little bit more reds, which I think I'm going to love using this year. And yeah, those are my felt butterflies. And then from there, I decided to go another route, and I created a couple of shabby-ish butterflies. And I think these were really fun to create. I had created some using Maggie Holmes project, but this one was a little bit more work only because I did different textures and layers on this. I created a couple with the Cecil that my friend Olga for the Love of Crafts had gifted me, and to give it a little bit more of that stringy effect, but I wasn't sure if I loved it or not, or was it too shabby. So then I just did this plain kind of look. Okay, so what I did was let me just go, there's 4 layers of paper here. I did stickles on one layer to give it that frosty like edge. Then I did, what is this called? Diamond dust. That snowy kind of crystally look. And then I just cut out 2 extra layers. Little stamens on top, and then this little white flower I did also diamond dust as well, just to give it that frosty look. And I think they came out super cute. I'm actually really excited. I can't wait to put these on a project. And tell me which one you like. Do you like the one with the Cecil better or without? Is it better with the little strings hanging out, or do you like the more cleaner look? And that's it for my project share. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.